Hello, my name is Gary Grayson from Grayson Builders. We employed James about a month ago to install our balcony, our glazing around the balcony, and also balustrading around our internal staircase. He was a great lad, yeah, very nice, very amenable, very professional. His approach was better than what I expected. He was also very competitive because I shopped around and I spoke to quite a few different suppliers, and James came in definitely in a competitive way. I really would recommend him. He was professional, he kept me up to date on timescales, he arrived when he said he would arrive. I was particularly impressed with his efficiency. He sent me emails regularly, he kept me up to date with text messages. I've never seen that before. So yeah, I would recommend him. Great lad to work with as well.